Good afternoon, garden friends. It has been a long 4 days. So I've been down, but that is only because I need to listen to my body. While I love gardening and it ends up being a motivator for me, I need to slow down. But the greenhouse is coming along nicely. Kevin's working on that. But what I'm going to do today is I got a couple of pots around the courtyard that I want to take the violas and pansies out, a couple over here in my rose area because I don't like how tall they've gotten because I haven't been snipping them down and blending it into my roses. Get my roses cleaned up a little bit. I'm gonna be putting probably some impatiens in these pots and a couple of the pots over here because this only gets morning sun and then it's pretty much in the shade the rest of the day. So let me go ahead and get the plants for that. And then the other thing that I'm going to be doing is over in the arbor garden, in between my ornamental alliums. I want to be able to plant some petunias in there. I'm not going to go with the bubble gum because I don't want them getting all wild. So those are the things that I'm going to be doing today. So let me go ahead and get my stuff and then get the plan. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get all these guys pulled out. I'm hating to do that, but I just don't like how full they are. I think I'm gonna have to put these on the table. All right, well, this is what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna get all of these pansies out of here and then put in some impatiens. And then I'll get back on. Okay, so I don't know if you guys remember when I first did these pots up, these were the creeping Jenny that I had in the rock bed over on that side of my courtyard. And look how nicely they have grown. These guys are looking really good. This guy was a little one. He's still little, but there's like new shoots off of it. So, you know, I was thinking by putting the impatiens in here, that'll look really nice against the chartreuse. I'm all about color, compliments, and don't mind the noise. Kevin is working on the greenhouse, putting the soffit on. But I want to go ahead and get these guys planted. Some of that dirt off like I always do. I'm going to use it back in here. Just to give these roots room. Now I did put some biotone in here already. And I will give these guys a nice rinse off, clean off the containers from where the violas had dropped off. And then I'll definitely get these guys mulched. And I think when these guys fill in, especially the creeping Jenny, it'll end up looking really, really nice. Like I said, this one has just done fantastic. All right, so I got one more that I'm going to end up doing, and then I'm going to get in here and start clipping off the roses that are spent, because it helps bring another flush for me. And there's like tons of buds on here that have not opened up, and I want to be able to, make sure that is the beauty of them is coming through. So let me go ahead and get the other one back here done, and then I'll get in here and start cutting these dead roses off, and then I'll get back on and show you guys what it looks like, and then we'll head over into the arbor garden. Okay, so I got the roses trimmed, all the dead ones off, the new pots with the impatiens and the creeping Jenny over here. This looks so much neater without having the pansies sprawl all out. So this here section is done. Now this is the other pot that I ended up doing. I had some begonias in there, and then I just used the rest of the impatiens to put in here. And I think that just ends up tying everything together. So let's head on over to the arbor garden. Okay, so these are what I'm going to be putting back here. I think that'll end up looking really pretty with my ornamental alliums, because they got like tons of buds on them. And then I'm gonna put the pink and the purple in each section of this. So let me just go ahead and get these guys laid out, and then I'll go ahead and get them in the ground. The one good thing about these guys is they're going to end up filling in really, really nicely and adding that pop of color in here. So let me go get my biotone, my mat. Oh, I got my biotone, my mat, and my hole digger, so I can go ahead and get these planted. All right, guys. I went ahead and got them planted. My body is telling me I need to sit down. But I think it's going to end up looking pretty. Like I said, because I don't pack, and the way these flowers grow, those guys are going to fit in nicely with having two of these on both sides. And I so love that soft pink color of these wavy petunias. All right, guys, I am done for the day. I got the things that I wanted done, and I paced myself. Thank you again for visiting Inspiring Garden Corner, and I look forward to you checking out my next video. Now, if you enjoy my content, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I so appreciate it.